How's it going, everyone? This is Simon Cody from the Walser Honda dealership in Burnsville. And today it is my delight to take you on a little walk around on a 2023 Accord Touring Hybrid. So I guess starting right here at the front, you can see you have your very nice looking full LED lights, low beam, high beam, and running lights. And one of the unique parts to the Touring, having your little circles here and around your parking sensors, which definitely come in handy. It is their bigger sedan, so very helpful feature there. And fun fact that that Honda started doing on the new ones, actually, with the windshield wiper fluid, it actually comes out of the wiper blades itself. It's kind of hard to explain, but nice little touch. And then also on the bottom of the front end, as well as down the whole side, you have the black trim there, making it look extra premium. And you also have these really nice looking 19-inch wheels. So moving around the back here of the new Accord, you can see, of course, fully redesigned back end. You have your full length lighting system on the back there. It looks really nice. Again, the same parking sensors carried over to the back, which definitely comes in handy. You have your Touring hybrid badging, as the new ones, it's worth mentioning, are hybrid only if you're anywhere above the two basic ones. So LX and EX are gas powered. Every trim level above that are hybrid only. Very efficient cars, somewhere in the mid to upper 40s on the freeways. So saving every penny that you can. So then if you open up the trunk back here, you can see, typical of the full-sized Honda sedan, an absolutely huge trunk area back here. And seeing as every car that we sell comes with the all-season mats, we still give you the carpet mats. Nice little present from us, extra generous. Overall, I think the exterior design of this thing is fantastic. So why don't we take a quick look on the inside? So quick look in the back seat of the new Accord. You can see, first off, a huge amount of space back here. I know I'm short, I'm 5'8", but I'm comfortably able to sit cross-legged back here. You have your two USB-C ports down there, air conditioning vents, seat back pocket. Then back here you have your armrest with your cup holders. And I think the game changer part, or the surprising part to me, is the fact that you have heated seats on both sides back here. So definitely adds that extra level of comfort to your backseat passengers if you're driving further. Why don't we climb into the front seat here real quick? That's even better. So in here in the front seat of the new Accord, you can see it is a very nice place. Starting here at the bottom, you have your drive mode switch. That'll be your Econ, Normal, and Sport modes. Up above that, of course, you have your shifter and then your E mode. So if you have enough battery charge, then this button here will allow you to run on battery power alone. Moving up above that, you have heated and cooled seats in this specific one, which having the cooled seats adds that little bit of extra class to it, little bit of extra luxury. Definitely comes in handy when it gets hot in the summertime. And then right below that, you have your two USB-C ports and then the wireless phone charger as well. And then straight above that, you can see the new for this year, 12.5-inch display. It is a phenomenal screen. Looks very familiar to people if you've been in any of the newer Acuras and things of that nature, but integrated straight into that, you actually have not only Amazon Alexa, but you have Google Assistant and Google Maps. So I'm trying to refrain from saying that G word too many times, because if I say it too much, then the car will start listening and navigate us to wherever it wants to go. But really nice display. It's bright and it has a ton of functionality built into that. And tying to that, you actually have the 12-speaker Bose system as well, which is a very nice system, has a really good surround sound effect to it. So sounds excellent and does a really good job at creating a very peaceful environment when you're driving the car too. And then just sitting in here, these seats overall are just exceptionally comfortable. They hold you really nice, and I could definitely see it being comfortable over an extended drive. Another really nice thing about this thing, much like all the other Hondas nowadays, is they're all coming with Honda Sensing, or that's the big umbrella, what they call it. So that'll be your lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, road departure mitigation, which sounds similar to lane keeping assist, but a little bit different. Of course, your backup camera with a couple different camera angles and your parking sensors. And another unique one to the Touring as well, actually, is the head-up display, which you can't see from where you're sitting, but I can see it here. You can have it show speed, the speed limit of the road that you're on, and also your navigation if you have the Google Maps set up to it. So a ton of technology loaded into this car, and I think it's definitely worth a look. You should come by and take a peek. So hopefully you found this video somewhat interesting and can agree with me in that the new Accord Tourings are pretty nice rides. So If you want, you're more than welcome to swing by the dealership here in Burnsville. And if not, you can go on to walserhonda.com. Again, my name is Simon, and I would be more than happy to help you out if you come by. Thanks.